Look, women are tired. They just about had it. Yo, men keep doing the same mistakes over and over again. And guess what they do? They just keep rejecting us over and over again. And a lot of times, it's on us, boys. Today, I'm going to show you the 6 things women are absolutely tired of men doing. Let's hop into it. Number 1. Blaming them. Yo, I see a lot of guys take this victim mindset, especially nowadays, where they've either been hurt by so many girls or rejected by so many girls that they start blaming girls for their inability to get girls. These are the exact same men that start sounding a lot like an incel forum chat on Reddit. See, that pure hatred towards women is going to ensure that you never get a girl, especially a good girl. Number 2. Thinking that self-care is feminine. Bro, if you still have not developed a self-care routine, you're lacking. More and more women want men that actually take care of themselves, and any attractive guy invests back into themselves. They want men that are well-groomed and well put together and look handsome. This is why I want you to go down this step. The problem is, and this is what happens for most men, when you go to a store, what you end up looking for is usually not there. See, there's no really grooming brand that's designated for guys, that's designed for dudes that want to look more attractive. This is exactly why we created He, and we called it He. See, He is a grooming brand specifically designed for men that want to increase that masculine appeal. This grooming brand, it's dropping today. Boys, we dropped our He grooming tools, I think it was about 2-3 months ago. It sold out within 2 hours. This is our facial scrub and our toothbrush. Well, we just restocked those tools, both of which are designed with a matte black masculine look that looks sexy in your bathroom, but also make you look sexy. But we didn't stop there. See, right now we're also dropping our 2 new products, which is our He body wash and our He deodorant. Our body wash is made with organic compounds and ingredients that actually work, such as re-engineered charcoal that we formulated in our lab, custom to our brand, specifically to be able to pull more oil and dirt from your pores. We also have it infused with jojoba beads and bamboo, so you can gently exfoliate the skin as you're showering, not to mention it smells amazing. So you're gonna step out the shower with softer, more radiant, and better smelling skin than when you stepped in. We also are dropping our He deodorant. Our He deodorant is made with natural oils and ingredients. It doesn't have aluminum, so you're not gonna have those yellow stains or any negative side effects like cancer-producing side effects. It also dries clear, so you're not gonna get streaks on your shirt. And on top of that, again, it keeps you smelling amazing. Boys, all these products are most likely going to fly. See, both the deodorant and the body wash we've been developing for over 6 months, and what we literally did is we bought the best of the best products in both categories out in the market, and then we made those products even better for this. I'm telling you, this is the best of the best, and it needs to be in your bathroom because women want well-groomed men, and we just launched. So if I were you, I'd click that link down below. So takes us on to number 3, laziness. See, what I just talked about and the lacking that most men have can almost be summarized in an overarching theme. And that's laziness. Laziness in bed. Laziness in understanding women and how they work. Laziness and taking care of themselves. Laziness in their own personal career. You need to start taking pride in your appearance and your bedroom skills, and more importantly, in your passions. The moment you start taking pride in those things and actually investing time in those things, that's when you're going to turn into that high value dude that women are going to desire, and they're not going to be able to reject. Shoot, they're going to be lining up to date you because they're rejecting the 99%. Which rolls on to number 4, a lack of confidence. See, a lot of times you will get that good girl coming along in your life, but you're going to feel intimidated by her goals, by her ambitions, by what she's been able to accomplish. Look, I married a successful and smart woman. Yo, she's educated and she's driven. Shoot, that's why I fell in love so quickly. Beauty and brains, I slapped a ring on that because that to me was a special girl. See, a lot of times that will happen to you, but what happens is you end up degrading a chick that makes more money than you or is more educated than you or has bigger goals than you. So you degrade what she does to make yourself feel better. And that's little boy energy. Number 5, when you can't take control. See, let's say for a second that you were successful in the first interaction. You plucked up the courage, asked her on a date, you texted her, whatever it is. You guys are set. You guys are good to go. What happened? Now you hit girls with probably the most annoying term ever. What do you want to do? Where should we go? What do you want to eat? See, that type of indecisiveness are those like little micro questions that show that you're not able to take control. What I want you to do from now on is that whenever you set a date, whenever you take a girl out, I want you to plan it A to Z and she's just tagging along. That type of dominance, that's what women want. And finally, number 6, It's ghosting. Look, when I'm talking to you about these mistakes, it's because I'm guilty of them. Every single one, including this one. I think every guy is guilty of this. See, the act of ghosting is when you just cease all communication out of nowhere, hoping that the chick just gets the hint that you are no longer interested. But if you're really not interested, it's time to start growing some heavy set balls and tell her you're not interested like a man. Women are tired of being ghosted too. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 things that women are tired of men doing. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out that we just launched Heat Grooming. If you guys want to check that out, click that link down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.